Hi friends, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to create a page on Instagram for your products or shoppings or anything and for social media marketing. So without wasting the time, open your Instagram app, and after this tap on your profile icon and then tap on these three lines here, then go to settings and tap on account and scroll down at the end. Here you can see the option switch to professional account. If you are creator, blogger or anything, you can create your Instagram page. I switch to professional account, tap on that, and in this way you can get all the tools like your Instagram page. Tap on continue, and here you can search or explain who are you. If you are gaming and video creator, ice cream shop artist, you can select any of them to create your Instagram page. I'm a video creator, I'm just tap on video creator, tap on done. It can take up to 30 seconds to finishing up your creating account. After that, I'm just selecting creator. If you are opening your Instagram page for business purposes, tap on business. I'm a creator, tap on next. In this way you can complete these 4 steps now, or simply tap on this cross button and you will complete these 4 steps afterward. Tap on skip, and now you have a professional dashboard. Your Instagram page is created, and if you tap on edit profile, so type your name here, tap on bio, you can add link into your bio, and here you can see the page is connect to create. You can tap and connect your page to your Facebook. In this way your Instagram page has been created successfully, and now you can use this page for social media marketing or your YouTube channel, etc.